The stock market highly volatile. A lot of news changing the market. I'm going to be telling you guys the top 10 stocks to invest in and look at next week and the upcoming months. With that being said, we're going to start off with Expedia Group, ticker symbol EXPE. So they surged 17.3% after reporting a better than expected fourth quarter earnings. This company also reinstated its quarterly dividend, reflecting strong holiday bookings. It's a good stock to look at. Next one we're going to be talking about is Take-Two Interactive Software, ticker symbol TTWO. So shares rose 14% following a narrower than an anticipated third quarter loss. With that being said, they rose from that. The company reaffirmed its plans to launch its highly anticipated Grand Theft Auto 6. So this is going to be moving with Grand Theft Auto 6 coming out this fall, and everybody knows about GTA 5 and all the other GTA basically games. And the GTA, they have a lot of goals to bring in revenue. With that being said, GTA 6 is going to be a highly profitable game. Everybody's going to buy it. I mean, kids, teenagers, everybody that played GTA 5, GTA 4, every franchise. This is going to be a great stock to look into, and it's probably just going to keep on rising. So keep this one on your mind and on your radar, especially with GTA 6 coming out. Next one we're going to talk about is Affirm Holdings, AFRM. So the stock jumped 22% after the company reported a surprise profit and a significant increase in its customer base, indicating strong demands for its buy now, pay later services. So if you guys don't know what Affirm is, you basically can make payments later, basically like a tiny loan, but just to buy things. It's kind of like a credit card to say, but they got lower interest rates and stuff like that. Next one is Pinterest, PINS. That being said, they jumped 22% after they climbed 19% after the company reported its first billion-dollar revenue quarter, which is insane, with globally monthly users increasing 11% year over year. So it's a good stock to look at, and it's pretty cheap right now. So get in before it's too late. Next one, Amazon. A lot of people know about Amazon. They got big goals, and honestly, just the biggest e-commerce out there to say. They ship globally. Tariffs might affect it a little bit, but with that being said, it doesn't affect it too much. But tariffs also helps it if you think about it. With other companies like the China-based ones, it's going to be affecting them more than Amazon, and Amazon is going to benefit because more people are going to order off of Amazon rather than Temu, stuff like that. But with that being said, they did decline 4.1% after the company provided weaker than expected guidance for the upcoming quarter, citing a significant negative impact from foreign exchange rates. So keep that on your mind, just because like a lot of like the dollar, the euro, and stuff like that is kind of fluctuating right now. So that can really affect Amazon. But with their goals and basically everything that they have, Amazon is just going to keep on going up. But just have your patience with this one. It is a good time to buy, and you can maybe even buy more of a dip later on. But yeah, next one, Tesla. Tesla has been falling a lot. We had a lot of bad news, like falling euro sales, and I think also China sales. But with that being said, the decrease in January sales in China raising concerns about demand in the key market. So we are bearish on the stock right now because Europe and China markets are kind of dropping with the EV company, but they have a lot of things with AI and stuff like that. So I recommend just finding this one on the dip and on the bottom point to get into Tesla because it's going to rise right after that. Next one we're going to be talking about is Uber Technologies. They increased 6.6% after Bill's hedge fund basically disclosed a stake in the company, signaling confidence in its growth. So it's had a big investor basically investing in the Uber, and they're kind of increasing a lot. So keep this on your mind and on your radar because it's a good long-term stock to hold, and it's going to keep on holding. Another one is ELF Beauty, ticker symbol ELF. They basically just declined a bunch. Let's go look at the chart real quick. Over the 5 days, we were up at like the 89 level to the 90 level, dropped all the way down to 65. We kind of bounced back a little bit, but this is a falling stock right now. But it is still a big company in makeup and stuff like that. But this stock dropped 20% after the company's lowered its year sales and earnings forecast. So it is kind of bearish, but at the same time, I think we're going to be kind of rebounding a little bit. You might see it back up at the $80 level, and low key just slowly going to start increasing again. So just keep this one on your mind, keep this one on your radar for the upcoming future. Next one I want to talk about is NVIDIA. Just because NVIDIA, we kind of hit a bottom point, but we might see a little bit of fluctuation because we do got tariffs coming out this week. But with that being said, we did get like a bottom point with NVIDIA. around here. We did hit it before, but we're kind of increasing. We're looking bullish right now. So keeping the video on your mind for looking bullish again. We might get to that 140 level and maybe just back up to the levels that we were at. But right now you get at a premium. We were at that 120 level to that 117 level. That would have been even better to buy in, but it's not too late right now. Next one we're going to talk about is Palantir, just because their stock price has increased that 110 level and they're looking great. With that being said, Palantir, if you look at it like 5 years, recently it's just been very, very bullish and not dropping whatsoever. People seen at that $5 level, they're like, we're going to wait for a dip, never dipped, and just so on and so on as levels went up even more. We might see it bounce down to that $100 level. We might not break below that $100 level, get a little bounce and go up even more. So it's never too late to buy this stock, and I do recommend getting in. With that being said, thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. Let me know the stocks that you guys are looking at. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.